Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So first thing we're going to do here is talk a little bit about how we did our DIY curtain installation. So the first step was to find out everything we need. We went to the Ikea website and we came up with a list of all the pieces that we would require. Here's a look at everything that we bought from Ikea. We'll leave a link down below. Once we got home, the next step was to take our design and find exactly the points where we would mount the brackets. So we found out there would be 5 brackets and we needed 4 rods. So here we are measuring where the brackets were to go. Once we found the exact space where the brackets would go, we knew how long the curtain rods had to be. So the next step was to cut the curtain rods to the length. We bought this little miter box at Ikea, and it made it pretty easy to cut the curtain rods. So here we are now, just checking that the curtain rods were all exactly on the marks. After that, the next step is to find out exactly where the brackets had to go. So once we marked the location for all the brackets, we then installed wall plugs that would give the brackets a good stability. And then after installing the wall plugs, we then installed the brackets. As I said before, we had 5 brackets and 4 rods. So after all 5 brackets were installed, I installed the 4 rods, and here it is completed. Once the rods were in place and we were happy with their location, the next step was to install the curtain on the tracks. So we found out that we needed 4 curtains to cover the whole length, and so we put 2 from the left side and 2 from the right side. We also bought rods that would allow us to move the curtains from ground level, and here we are installing the last 2 curtains on the right side. So once we had everything installed, we just had to play a little bit with them to make sure that they move freely on the track, and the final step was to install tiebacks. So we put 1 on each side at a 45-degree angle using a level. Again, we used wall plugs to make sure that they would be solid. After installing the wall plugs and marking the spots with an awl, we basically just used a screwdriver to fix them in place. And the final finishing touch was a little plastic ball on the end of the tiebacks, and that was the end of the project. So here we are cleaning up. And after everything was clean, it was just time to style the curtains. Over to you, Alinda.
Thank you so much. So here we go. I'm going to decorate our living room, and then I will recording the video fully finish the living room. Enjoy watching our video, guys. you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel for more video. Have a wonderful day today. Bye.